Generate your ebook fast with the power of AI. Designrr is the app, and inside of Designrr there's a product called Word Genie that you can use to generate your ebook fast with the power of AI. And right now I have created an ebook, and I've used some credits to show you how I created the ebook. So firstly, I want to go to the ebook and show you what the end result is. Let me go to my projects. The latest product is this one. Let me choose edit. It's even got my name in. There it is, Daniel Wentworth. This was automatically put there. What I want to do now is take you through the process of what I've done. Let's go through the steps, and firstly I'll show you what the dashboard of Word Genie is. Then I show you how the program goes through and it creates an ebook. You've got to, of course, put some inputs into the AI system, and then from there create the ebook. So that's my introduction. I'm using credits to create this video, and it's costing me money. So please do that. It's for free. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of that stuff, and please share it as well. Thanks, and let's proceed. Buy Designrr, the front end of Designrr, for only $27, one-time payment. You don't pay monthly, you don't pay annually. If you get it, you get it. It's one-time payment of $27.